Hi folks, welcome back to another video right here on the channel. So, everybody knows how much I love Zavi, as always. So, what I've done guys, we have the Demize box, and it is the monthly box, but this one is themed for Halloween, okay? So, it'd be rude of me not to introduce my guest here. So with us today, we have the lovely Mel. Say hi Mel.
Hi.
Okay, so we're just going to do this little unboxing together and get sorted. So, without further ado, let's try and unbox it. So, this is a monthly subscription, and it costs £11.99?
Yeah.
Yep, it costs £11.99 a month. And in it, you're supposed to get a t-shirt and just basically themed. So, with it being October, it's obviously Halloween. And now know we're on bonfire night as I open this, or I attempt to open it. And so we're just going to do for you a little reaction, and I've already promised Mel something out the box so he could join me on the video. Okay, so without further ado, should we see what's in here, love?
Yeah.
He says. There we go. Anybody watching the video that's going to come next week where I unboxed another one with Dave the Reptile Man, swinging knife round. Poor Dave nearly got cut and I nearly took a finger off last time. So, okay, what have we got here? I feel something fairy. What in the heck is this? Mel, what are we doing here? I really don't know what's going on. We got, what is this? I'm thinking, okay, yeah, it's a little bit of promotional bump. So, cool, well, the cool. Merry Christmas box. So we just got a little leaflet there promoting the Christmas box. We have a little hat here. Suit me.
Lovely.
Lovely. Okay. And we have, oh man, yeah, Happy Halloween from Demize. These guys, before I carry on, folks, if you don't know, they're a family-run company. Check them out. www.demise.co.uk. Okay. So what have we got here? Oh, we've got a clown t-shirt. Oh, happy days. Oh, happy days. There we go. Amongst all these little spiders. Do you want to show the camera? All the little spiders and stuff they've got in there. Thank you very much. And we have...
It could have some hair.
Nah, it doesn't suit me, does it? Okay, so there we go. Big clown t-shirt. What's this one say? Twisty the Clown. I don't think you're going to be robbing this one, are you?
No.
Nah. Mel's one of them. She's not fussed on clowns. I don't care. Okay, so let's move all this stuff off here. I did see some goodies in here before, you know. The sweetie variety. What's this? Okay, so we have Ghostbusters, My Emoji.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm going to give this to the beautiful Mel to open there for me, because I'm all hands and fingers. What have we got? Okay, so what in the heck is he? Answers on a postcard or in the comments below, guys. What do you think? Is he a pen topper? Has he got the hole? No?
No, it hasn't got a hole.
I don't know. Obviously a little collectible of some type. We have, so we got a little bag here that says trick. Do you want to open it? You know, if this goes off and like that, it's just going to be... Okay, so do you all have a nice Halloween anyway? I know a few of you enjoyed the Michael Myers promo. Leave Mel and I comments below, please, folks, and just let us know what you've done for Halloween and stuff. What have we got?
Brain Blaster.
Brain Blaster. Sour powder. Brain Blaster. That's maybe like a little, like a sherbet. And slime.
Slime.
Okay, so we got stinking slime. Create a pot. Ready to play slime. The mind boggles, does it not? Right, let's keep all these together so we do a little recap in a bit. Okay, right. Where are we? We have Spooky Haribo. Trick or treat Haribo. They're going to go down well, aren't they? If you don't, I most certainly will. Okay, we have another Walking Dead pack of tattoos. I only say that because, little spoiler, I do actually get one of these in the Walking Dead box that's released next week. So if you know anybody at all who wants any Walking Dead tattoos, let me know. Or comments below, guys, with a PM for an address. What in the heck is that? A little bendy scarecrow guy. What do you think of him? Bit weird, isn't he? Oh, yeah, Mel's having fun already. You should bend him round and do a little... there we go. Okay. Okay, we've got a little, oh okay, Sonka laser beam is obviously at the torch. Does it work? There's a question. No, they haven't really batteries, have they? I don't know. So we've got a little torch, which would have been ideal for the Michael Myers promo last week. Okay, moving further along. Okay, and we've got some little pin badges, if you want to get those out for me. They seem to enjoy doing the pin badges, Demize, which is never a problem. Oh, is that from Scream? It is, isn't it? It's a ghost guy from Scream. Yeah, so we've got one from Scream. See if we can recognise the other one. Do we know who that is?
Haven't got a clue.
We don't know who this guy is. Get in comments below, please, folks. Somebody will know who he is. We've got Chucky. A little bit controversial there. No more comments. And what's the last one, babe? It. So we've got Pennywise, the clown from It as well. Okay, so pin badges. Oh, sweet, man. We've got a comic, the DC Comics I, Vampire. That's going to be worth a read. I'm not familiar with the series, but it is what it is, isn't it? It's another comic for the collection. Still fondling around, actually. Okay, and we have a load of stickers, so I'm going to hand them out to you. If you can just show them one by one for me, please, love. Thank you. Okay. Is that Freddy Krueger?
Yeah.
Freddy. We all love Freddy. Okay, we have a trick or treat one. This one's cool. We have a little pumpkin kind of guy there. And it's Jack, isn't it, from The Shining? And we have one more. Another Happy Halloween Party 2019. So we can see that's obviously just come from like last year's box, hasn't it? One more by the look of it. Thank poor Mel's fed for showing stickers here. Oh no, that's sweet. And we've got a little portrait.
Wow.
So we've got this one as well, guys. Okay. So Mel, what's your favourite thing in the box? Little loads of just junk, really, isn't it? Little bits and bobs. So Mel's is the little mad, bendy scarecrow guy. I'm not sure. The comic I'll have a look at. I like the little print, and it's always nice to get a t-shirt, though white is not my colour, is it? I don't wear a lot of white. But there we go, guys. Okay, so just in closing, really hope you enjoyed that one. Apologies if it's been a Halloween box, but I wanted to review it anyway and give these guys some love. Like I say, family-run company from the United Kingdom. Absolutely lovely folks. Cheap boxes, all kinds of bumf. And I think that's us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, say good night, Mel.
Good night.
Alright, see you later, folks.